broke it! Holy crap, cat! It must have made you really mad. Holy shit. I'm sorry. I love you. She looks like a freaking alien right now. I'm sorry. Can I at least fix it? It's just a nail file. It is just a nail file. Don't hurt me. No, she's gonna hurt me. This cat scares me. I just need to get the thingy. She's watching me. She scares me, man.
Wait, it's so nice.
Dude, we need to record us doing Salt and Ice, just saying. Say bye, evil. Oh, she's lifting her paw. Dude, will you shut up for 2 seconds?
He's on mushrooms, dancing with a garbage bag he found. He's Groove Willie.
Kiss it. You look like an alien, evil. She's like going. I'm still recording her. She looks. Well, that's how you feel. I love you. Okay, bye.